Sup?
I wake up, flex, thumb down that check, no drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up.
How's everybody doing? Okay, today we are still testing this camera, and I have with me
Alana.
Lana, where can everybody find you?
On Instagram, Lana_BHAAB. Wait, I think I said that wrong. Lana_BHHAB.
Yeah, so now we are in this stupid parking garage where I am like 95% sure I'm gonna get hit by a car. All right. And we're trying to get some photos here. When you see this, auntie, I made sure I got all the right photos. I promise you. Don't kill me.
My phone.
With your phone, but it's not in the picture. So is an iPhone 11 better than a GoPro? We shall find out today. Little hair flip, just a little bit, because your hair does, yeah. Hey, black girl magic.
Melanin.
And
I did majorette for a really long time.
Really?
Yeah. I started my own majorette team in high school.
Look at that sky. Days when I ask myself, why do I live in Chicago? It's not even really that cold right here. I don't know what they did. And then like it's coming off of your hair. Giving your hair like this orangish color. It's awesome. It must be all these stores right here, but it actually feels really good right here. At least to me. And then when I go back and edit these pictures, I'm gonna have to find I'm gonna have to find like the pictures that match up with this video. But this is where I want to go. And there are some steps with like some really bright lights that we could get some stuff by. And these apartments right here behind the place got some lights that shoot straight up that do this really cool effect with the shadows.
Everybody think Chicago is like violence and guns and stuff, but it's like the best food and the best views, and it's just beautiful.
I love the city.
Hair covering the face a little or no?
It doesn't matter. That's your thing. Actually, nah, I need one eyeball though.
One eyeball?
That's how the camera snags focus, by the eyeball for the most part.
Oh God, I'm dying inside.
So, actually kind of lean up against the rail. Yeah, there we go. Oh, we getting the sky in there too. Oh, this is gonna be so dope. Just as long as we don't lose your heart pasties, we're good. And ladies and gentlemen, you have to get that real laugh every once in a while.
Do you want to do one with me like sitting up here?
If you die, your auntie is gonna kill me. No.
I know, right?
And luckily I'm taking this YouTube video because that will remind me that the sky is actually very beautiful. Because what the camera does is it kind of evens it out. And I'm gonna have to bring those oranges and all those beautiful colors back in post. I just almost tumbled down these. Boy, I would have died. That would have been it for your boy. And just because I like the symmetricalness of this building, is that a word? Symmetricalness?
I have no idea.
I think it is. I'm gonna get this building. You guys are gonna love this building. See, everything in Chicago looks better at night. And guys, I'm not kidding. This smells so good in real life. I don't know why. Why, I have no idea. Stand like right up against here. Lean into it. Facing me though. Okay, guys, I was having way entirely too much fun. I was supposed to be teach you guys something. So I'm going to teach just a little bit. Now, at nighttime, as great as these things are, you want to shoot manual. because the compensation for the light is gonna crush. When I say crush, I mean crush your skies. That big, beautiful black sky there, it's gonna look so nasty. The computer just can't get it right. Because you gotta use your eyes, baby. Your eyes.
The little heaven fish.
Oh, koi fish. I got one of those on my chest.
Look at the big one right there. It's real big.
That's a big one. Look at that.
That's a big one. Look at
Oh, you can eat those.
Oh, we don't want to eat the beautiful fish.
Man, they look like goldfish on steroids.
No, they actually.
All right, come on. If you could sit right here. And we could get the water in. Hair did a flippy thing. Oh, guys, I'm back. It is so cold. So, what are your aspirations?
I don't know. Travel the world and be happy.
I just want to go around the world and shoot pictures of stuff.
Yeah.
And hopefully somebody will pay me for that.
Capture the moments.
In my 40s.
Wow. Wow. Hey.
My. Ooh!
Y'all hit that wow. Wow.
Hey.
I wake up, flex, I'm down now. Check, no drip, this. Tell 'em run it up.